The key performance and quality elements of our machines that differentiate us in the marketplace really starts with robust design of the products that is designed for life in the real world. The manufacturing team takes those robust designs and applies their expertise to ensure that all of the welds, all of the machining operations, all of the assembly operations are done with the greatest attention to detail and quality. I think it's really a consistency of our performance. As we've been building these machines in various forms for many years. We know what works, we know what doesn't. We balance that with continuous improvement, always looking for ways to apply new technology, new approaches, new design concepts, new materials to make the machine meet and exceed customer expectations.